Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I am very happy to inform you that I received again another new citation from my article. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Actually, this will be the third time that my article entitled Human Resource Information System with Machine Learning received another citation from Google Scholar. So the article was cited my paper entitled Impact of Investment on Labor Productivity in Azerbaijan's Chemical and Petrochemical Industry. So it was researched by the following authors: V. Ismailov and Grafarov and S. Valerieva in Kubahan Academic Journal 2024. So when I click this link, okay, this is my article, no, cited by 3. Okay, by 2022 we have 1, 2024 we have 2, no. So my article is Human Resource Information System with Machine Learning Integration. So when I visited my Google Scholar, so we have here, I have 3 citations since 2019, and then I have also one high index. So that's it guys. Now I'm very happy that my work, my paper on Human Resource Information System with Machine Learning is being cited as a researcher. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope that you will encourage to become a researcher also. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.